Okay, today we're here at the Los Angeles County Fair, and I went to a booth called Boba King, and I got their $7.70 deal, which is a banana smoothie. I'm not sure what this size is, 16 ounce probably. So let's try it out here. Oh yeah, it does taste like banana. I think it's made with a powder though, because you put powder in, and then I don't think there's real bananas in it. But yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, I like it. And it's all whizzed up, so there's no hard bits or anything. So yeah, if you want a banana smoothie, go to Boba King for their $7.70 deal. It actually tastes really good, so I'm gonna give it an A. Giving everything an A today. But yeah, this one's good. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.